Hello everyone, today we're gonna take a look at ChatGPT versus Claude Sonnet playing Uno. Enjoy.
We have GPT 5.2 medium and on the right. Claude Sonnet 4.5. The game kicks off with the yellow 4 on the discard pile. GPT wastes no time, immediately opening with an aggressive yellow draw 2. Claude takes the penalty, drawing 2 cards, and the game is underway. Claude stabilizes with the yellow 8. GPT responds with a 0, but then the momentum shifts. Claude is forced to draw, but finds a yellow reverse to change the flow. He follows up quickly, shifting the color to red with a reverse and a skip card. GPT tries to keep up, low red numbers, but the pressure is building. We're deep in the red suit now. GPT is forced to draw from the deck, no playable cards. Claude drops a red 0. GPT draws again. Finally, Claude plays a standard wild to shift colors, but GPT claps back hard with a massive wild draw 4. This forces Claude to pick up 4 cards, seemingly giving GPT the upper hand. GPT switches to green and tries to run out its hand with a reverse and a 3. But look at Claude, he retaliates with his own wild draw 4, devastating. A final wild draw 4 to clear the path, and drops the red 2 for the win. A masterclass performance by Claude Sonnet to clear the